G'day guys, this is Jack. Now as you can see, I've got my two military trucks, B36 URL communications and 6x6 Hemet, Faye, whatever it's called. We're in complete lockdown here and we can't go out of our houses. It's going to be like this for the next, I reckon, 2 months maybe. So we're in house prison as usual. I ended up painting the B36 a gloss black. I wanted to paint it a gunmetal kind of colour because I did see a 1-to-1 scale that was gunmetal and it just looked awesome. Now I left the antenna the same colour, green, military green. I've got the Hemet over there, as you can see, just for a comparison. Now I've taken the wheels off the Hemet and put them on the URL. The problem with the URL is the leaf springs on this thing are just so loose and it just rocks all over the place. With the Hemet, they're as tight as, they're bigger leaf springs of course, but with the Hemet it just bounces all over the place. You can't really, if you're going over rocks or something, it'll just bounce like a ball. So yeah, so I was kind of bored, so I painted the military truck. I'll probably paint blinkers and whatever and end up painting the exhaust a different colour. The little accessories that come with it, the light, the filter over here, I left the same. I've got a little driver in there. I forget where she's from. I remember Kagan telling me what action figure it is. It's only a little, can't remember what scale it is, but she fits in there. So yeah, I, as you can see, I've painted it all. Gave it an undercoat. Very good at painting. It was just with a spray can and that's about it really. But yeah, like I said, we're in full lockdown here and all I can do is just do some videos in the backyard really. Can't really do much. It's pretty frustrating, stressing. You know, a lot of people are depressed, this and that, because of this. Some people know my opinions on this BS virus, but anyway, I'm not going to get into it. I'll just do a little running video just to show it off a little bit, and I hope you liked the video. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you guys later.